It is midnight, the lights are off, but sleep remains impossible. Your hand blindly navigates the dark, finding the glowing glass screen. This is not a lapse in character, it is a structural defect in your environment. A smartphone resting within a 30-inch radius eliminates all behavioral friction. Studies show this precise physical proximity drastically amplifies bedtime procrastination. Your room is actively designing your chronic fatigue. The nightstand is a high-stakes behavioral trap. Society labels this as a failure of discipline. You believe you lack the mental fortitude to resist the screen. This is a fundamental miscalculation. Willpower is a biological design flaw. It depletes rapidly under cognitive load. Behavioral research exposes a different reality. Modifying your choice architecture is exponentially more effective than relying on mental endurance. Increasing environmental friction neutralizes digital distractions. Keeping electronic devices entirely out of the bedroom dictates long-term sleep hygiene. You are not lazy. Your spatial layout has simply engineered your failure. The nightstand is not merely furniture, it is a critical behavioral coordinate. By shifting this coordinate, we dismantle the architecture of chaos. Let us analyze the nightstand as a physical grid. Placing a smartphone within physical reach alters your behavioral trajectory. Research confirms this spatial coordinate significantly increases bedtime procrastination. It systematically degrades overall sleep quality. The device emits visual cues, like blue light, directly into your visual field. This optical stimulus suppresses melatonin production. It forces the brain to associate the physical bed with cognitive arousal. We must reprogram this environmental grid. Willpower is irrelevant here. Physical friction is the only valid metric. Behavioral science dictates that increasing environmental friction against digital devices ensures long-term sleep hygiene. You must shift the charging coordinate entirely out of the bedroom. Next, introduce a new physical object into the immediate tactile zone. Placing a physical book on the nightstand creates a new mechanical response. The tactile proximity of paper promotes relaxation without disrupting the sleep environment. The conventional approach demands mental resistance against a glowing screen. This is a losing equation. Human behavior follows the path of least physical resistance. When the device remains in the 30-inch tactile zone, failure is mathematically guaranteed. Relocating the charging coordinate across the room fundamentally changes the physics of choice. You must construct the architecture of inevitability. Replace the digital device with a physical book on the nightstand. This spatial swap introduces a mechanical advantage. The tactile presence of paper triggers relaxation without visual disruption. You are no longer fighting digital interference. You are simply executing the only available physical action. Stop diagnosing your fatigue as a personal defect. Your bedroom is a mechanical system. If the system fails, you must alter the physical coordinates. Eliminate the smartphone from your immediate tactile zone tonight. Relocate the charging station to a distant room. Place a single physical book on your nightstand instead. This specific spatial adjustment creates the architecture of inevitability. Sleep is no longer an erratic variable. It becomes an automatic, frictionless flow.